this computer. There we go. Okay, so this is how you take the gray box off. So I'm going to copy this out of ChatGPT. And then we're going to go over here to Word. And I'm going to do File, New, Blank Document. Then we're going to paste that into Word. So now you see it's got the gray box around it.
I don't see it in Word.
Oh, hold on a second. Let me
slide the screen over, choose a different
let's
screen.
see.
And I have it open as well on mine, my document. So I'm going to do it as you do it.
Okay, well, hold on. We're going to do this one more time. I'm going to share my screen, but I'm going to share the Word part. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see. There we go. Okay, so now do you see my Word screen?
I do.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go up, put your mouse in here, and you're going to right click in that area. And it's going to bring up this option screen.
Yep.
You're going to go up here to where it says Styles.
Yep.
You're going to click on that. And now you're going to go down to where it says Clear Formatting.
Okay.
Clear Formatting, and it takes it all away. So what you're going to do, let me copy and paste that and hit the styles, or just copy it, Clear Formatting. So what you'll need to do, whatever you're wanting to clear the formatting on, you'll need to highlight all of it. So you just highlight it all and then do the same thing. Okay. Now I'm going to do this, and I'm going to don't save, and I'm going to, okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a email, and this is in Outlook. Okay. So now let me go back up and let me share my screen, and we are going to do the untitled message. All right, so here we are, and I've just, like, I'm sending a new email in Outlook. So I'm going to click in the body of the email, and I'm going to paste that ChatGPT. You see that?
Yep.
Okay, so now I'm going to go up and I'm going to highlight all of the text that I want to clear the formatting. I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to go over here to Styles and click on it. I'm going to go down and hit Clear Formatting, and bam, there you go.
Beautiful.
So I don't know about other email programs, but it works perfectly in Outlook because it's a Microsoft product. So Microsoft Outlook and Word, same deal. So even if you're using another email program besides Outlook, but you're at a desktop, you can just copy and paste whatever ChatGPT into Word, clear the formatting, then copy and paste that in your email, and the formatting will be cleared before it gets to your email.
Have you tried it on your iPhone?
I have not tried that on my iPhone. I have not, because most of the time when I'm doing the ChatGPT and stuff, like, I'm usually doing it from my desktop. Gotcha. But anyways, there you go. That's it.
Awesome.
Lesson's over for the day. All right. So that's it. I will see you later. Call me when you need another tutorial.